Hello students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. We are doing chapter number 5, periodic classification of elements. In my last video, I told you about what is the need for classifying the these elements, and I have told you that which classifications we are going to study in this chapter. So in this series, first of all, we are going to study about the Daubonnier triads. Johann Daubonnier was the first to organize the elements by their properties, and he grouped them in groups of 3 elements each, and that group of 3 elements each is called triads. That is why his classification is named as Daubonnier's triads. My dear students, in 1817, Johann Daubonnier tried to classify the elements with similar properties into groups, and he found that some groups are having 3 elements each, and he called these groups as triads because it was a group of 3 elements. That is why it is known as triads. Tri means 3. And he showed when 3 elements in a triad were written in the order of increasing atomic masses, the atomic mass of the middle element was roughly average of atomic mass of the other 2 elements. Before we go on the different examples of Daubonnier's triads, we should know something about Daubonnier. Johann Wolfgang Daubonnier was a German chemist who is the best known for the work that foreshowed the periodic law for the chemical elements, and he is known for the Daubonnier triads which followed a similar pattern. And Johann Wolfgang Daubonnier classified the elements in groups of 3, and that is called triads, based on the similarities in properties, and that is atomic mass of the middle element is approximately the average of the atomic masses of the other 2 elements, means the lightest elements. Let's see some examples of Daubonnier's triads. First example is lithium, sodium, potassium. This is a group of 3 elements which are arranged in the atomic increasing order of their atomic masses. As you can see, the atomic mass of lithium is 7 atomic mass unit, means AMU. It is a unit. And sodium has atomic mass of 23, and potassium has atomic mass of 39 AMU. So this is the one example of his triads, and in this triad atomic mass of the sodium is average of the other 2 atomic masses. As you can see, the atomic mass of sodium is 23, which is an average of 7 and 39. 7 plus 39 divided by 2, we get 23 AMU, which is the atomic mass of sodium. In this way, he arranged the elements in the group of 3 elements, and which were called triads. But this classification method was not worked on. Why? I have shown you the limitation also of this triad. Daubonnier could only find 3 such triads from the elements known at that time. He could not arrange all the elements known at that time in such triads. So thus this system of classification was not found to be useful. So then we saw the Newland's law of octave, and that we will learn in the next lecture. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you.